No. We often have negative beliefs about money because we were taught that money is bad. Or we have seen people with money who seemed fake or superficial. But the truth is, money is just neutral energy. Money doesn't change you. It only amplifies what is already inside you. For example, if you have creativity, generosity, and love, when you have money, you can give more, be more creative, and do more good things. If you have selfishness or superficiality, money will amplify that. It won't change you. Money doesn't make anyone bad. Money doesn't change people. Money just amplifies who you already are. So, if you know yourself and know that you are a good person, don't be afraid to have money. If you have creativity, generosity, and something to offer the world, money is just a tool. It will amplify your qualities. It will give you more opportunities to become even more of who you already are. Money doesn't change who you are. Money just amplifies who you are.